Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I have added a recipe, but today I was really motivated. So I've made a keto chocolate brownie and I'm sharing that recipe with you. I hope you guys will like it and stay tuned till the end. That really helps my channel. And let's go ahead and see how I make it. Here I have half a cup of almond flour and I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. So if you want to use chocolate along with this, you can add some melted chocolate to this and lower the quantity of the cocoa powder. This is 1/3 cup of melted butter. I have added erythritol. So I've taken 2/3 cup of erythritol, but I'm not going to add the whole of it. I've kept some of it aside because we don't eat as sweet. And I've added 3 tablespoons of water. You can add heavy cream, which will make it even more gooey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now here I have 2 medium-sized eggs. You should add 2 large eggs, but I had 2 medium-sized eggs, so I made it work that way. And mix everything together. Now in this recipe, I have made it in such a way that you don't have to add anything in a sequence. So mix everything together, put it in a pan that you like. An aluminum pan works the best, but I like using the silicone because it's easier to get it out, and also you don't need a parchment paper. So I'm using that. I'm going to bake it in my air fryer on the bake setting at 165 degrees centigrade for about 20 minutes. You don't want to overcook it if you want it fudgy. After that, I've gotten it out and I have put it in the refrigerator overnight. So in the meanwhile, while it is cooking, I'm going to make a ganache for it. This is half a cup of fresh cream, which is about 25% fat, 1/3 cup 90% chocolate, 4 tablespoons of mixture of erythritol and monk fruit sweetener, and let it melt and come together into this ganache texture. I'm demolding it, and then we are going to put our lovely ganache on top. And the next morning, after you have gotten the brownie out, you can warm the ganache up a little bit and then put it on top the way I'm doing it. If you want it sweeter, put that. If you want to make your brownies a little more gooey, I would add fructooligosaccharides. I use that a lot. I've used it in my candy recipe, so go check that recipe out. But if you add that, your brownies are going to get fudgier and stickier. I haven't added it in this recipe because a lot of people don't have that ingredient, so I just left it out. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the recipe. Will click the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell right next to it. And thanks for watching. Bye.